Previously on the Freedom Story, we saw how Yah used a man named Moses and his brother Aaron to save his people the Israelites from slavery in Egypt. After much long suffering under Pharaoh, ruler of the Egyptians, Yah delivered the Israelites by smiting the land of Egypt with many terrible plagues. Finally, the Israelites were freed from bondage, and Yah parted the Red Sea on the way to the Promised Land. However, the troubles are far from over.
Out of Egypt, out of bondage, out of Pharaoh's hand. Following Moses through the desert to the Promised Land. Out of Egypt, out of bondage, out of Pharaoh's hand. Following Moses through the desert to the Promised Land. We are the children of Israel.
And Moshe brought Israel from the Sea of Reeds, and they went out into the wilderness of Shur, and they went 3 days in the wilderness, and found no water.
Mom, I fall asleep.
Go back to bed, Josiah. It's been 2 days, Reuben. 2 days and still no water.
Moses will take care of this.
Reuben, we can't go on like this for much longer. We need to find water.
Yah will provide for us, Abigail. We just need to wait.
So, how's Moses doing? He's doing all right. People keep asking when we find water. But I'm not sure how y'all will provide. I don't even think Moses knows.
All right. Well, we better find water soon or people are going to start dying.
And they came to Marah, and they were unable to drink the waters of Marah, for they were bitter. So the name of it was called Marah.
Drink it.
I don't want it.
Drink it.
It's gross.
Okay, fine, I'll try some. Yeah, that does taste weird.
I told you so.
Moses, this water's bitter.
Then he cried out to Yah, and Yah showed him a tree. And when he threw it into the waters were made sweet, and he made a law and a right ruling for them, and there he tried them.
This water tastes sweet.
Yeah, I know. This water tastes sweet.
How did this happen?
Delicious. Oh, it's good stuff, Bub.
Yeah.
This water is so deep. Yes. Oh, this water is sweet.
Oh.
And he said, if you diligently obey the voice of Yah your Elohim, and do what is right in his eyes, and shall listen to his commands, and shall guard all his laws, I shall bring on you none of the diseases I brought on the Mitzrites, for I am Yah who heals you. And they came to Elim, where there were 12 fountains of water, and 70 palm trees, and they camped there by the waters. Next time on the Children of Israel.
Have much food left from Egypt. I don't know if we'll be able to make it.
But Moses, the people are really getting upset.
The leeks, the onions. What about the spices?
Yeah, we were slaves in Egypt. We had the food. We had food in Egypt. I can't! My feet are
This water tastes sweet.
How did this happen? Action.
That me way.
This water tastes sweet. It got in my mouth and tastes gross.
Oh, it's good stuff, Bob.
Go back to nap, Josiah. Oh, sorry.
I forgot.
We can't go like Reuben.
I forget.
Reuben, we can't go.
Yah will provide for us. Abigail, we just need to wait.
Reuben, we can't go on like this for forever. We need to find water.
Sorry,
Yah will provide for us. Abigail, we just need to wait.
He's doing all right. People keep asking when we find water. For that.
We better find water soon, or else people are gonna like start dying.
All done.